Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to transfer from wallet to exchange in Binance. So first of all, what you need to do, hit assets at the bottom right, press USDT inside, and then hit add USDT at the bottom left. Select the first option, deposit crypto. And they're going to show you the network, right? The networks, so to speak, right? In my case, I'm going to choose BNB Smart Chain. You gotta choose BNB Smart Chain. And then copy the deposit address. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go back to my home screen and switch to wallet or Binance wallet. Okay, inside, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just find USDT, right, in the assets here. So I'm gonna just try to pin down USDT, yeah, here. Okay, inside, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just hit send. And then what you're gonna do next, you can go ahead and transfer to Binance Exchange, which is automatically, or send to a wallet address by the deposit address we just generated, right? If you want to do it like right away, you could just hit the first option, transfer to Binance Exchange, right? And select the amount you want to transfer. Okay, this is basically an updated version, right, from Binance. So I thought like I was on the old one where you have to generate an address or deposit address, excuse me, and then go to the wallet and then add the address, etc. But now they made it easy, right? They made it easy for you, so you can transfer to Binance Exchange right away without needing to do any extra steps. So consider liking this video, subscribing, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. In the next video, we're going to talk about how to transfer coins from Binance Exchange to Binance Wallet. See you.